Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw UK 49 prediction for Sunday 26 January 2025. Today, lunchtime single prediction numbers number 7, number 8, number 23, number 34, number 41, number 42. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 7, number 8, number 23, number 34, number 41, number 42. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 30, number 32, number 33, number 35, number 47, number 48. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 30, number 32, number 33, number 35, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 28 and number 36. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 28 and number 36. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today time prediction for Sunday 26 January 2025. Today time single prediction numbers number 10, number 16, number 21, number 22, number 33, number 44. Today time single prediction number repeat number 10, number 16, number 21, number 33, number 44. Now the time second prediction numbers number 8, number 12, number 19, number 37, number 45, number 46. Today time second prediction number repeat number 8, number 12, number 19, number 37, number 46, number 47. Now tea time bonus ball numbers number 22 and number 32. Now tea time bonus ball number repeat number 22 and number 32. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.